Hello, everybody. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. Welcome. Welcome to BC Original Rehearsal. Thank you so much for joining us here today. I got a new song. Hope everyone is having a good day today. This song is titled Pray. That's the right song for right now. I'll pray today. I'll pray tonight. I'll pray. I'll pray always. I'll always pray. I'll pray. I'll pray today. I'll pray tonight. I'll always pray. I'll always pray. I'll pray today. I'll pray tonight. I'll always pray. I'll always pray. I'll pray today. I'll pray tonight. And I'll always pray. That is the title of my song, Pray. And I ask that we take a moment to pray for peace, coming together in unity. To then, everybody, you count, you matter. Stay in Brooklyn. This is a time for coming together. And I pray for peace. All right, everybody. Let me go, and thank you so much, my fans here in Brooklyn, New York, Crown Heights, and around the world. Thank you for supporting an independent digital music artist, creator, producer, woman of color, making music and times are going too fast. Let's take a moment to pray for peace. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. I'll see you in the next minute on BC Original Rehearsal. We're coming to you from Barbara Campbell Television, and this is Be On Air, and we're live from Brooklyn, New York. Bye-bye.